Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell unused mobile data. Many people have extra data at the end of their billing cycle, and you can turn that into a small income. We'll cover the basics of data marketplaces, helping you understand how these platforms connect buyers and sellers. You'll also learn to identify how much data you typically don't use, which is a crucial first step. This guide will help you get started with turning your leftover data into cash. Choosing the right platform is key to a successful experience. There are several applications and websites designed specifically for selling mobile data. It's important to research their reputation and read user reviews to ensure reliability. Pay close attention to their commission structures. Some platforms might take a larger percentage than others. Also, consider the payout options available, such as direct bank transfers or digital wallets, to find what works best for you. Before you list your data, there are a few important steps to take. First, confirm that your mobile carrier's terms of service permit the selling or sharing of your unused data. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform's privacy settings to ensure your personal information remains secure. Finally, research current market rates for mobile data to set a competitive and fair price. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and profitable transaction for your unused gigabytes. To get the most out of selling your data, consistent effort helps. Regularly check your data consumption to accurately predict how much you'll have left over each month. The demand for data can fluctuate, so be prepared to adjust your selling price or quantity accordingly. Some platforms also offer referral bonuses, allowing you to earn extra by inviting friends. By staying informed and adapting your approach, you can maximize your earnings from your unused mobile data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.